Okay, Victoria, this is what I would do if you were sitting next to me. So, although I can't ask you questions, I can guess from what I see. So let's look at timed writing number one and its rubric. What I see here is an essay that probably has organization and convention problems. Let's see if I was right the first time I read it, way back in the beginning of September. And so we see, let me look at the whole thing here. It's got an introduction and a conclusion and two body paragraphs. And really what we're aiming for is that snowman shape with a three body paragraph. So that's one thing. Let's see if it's got a thesis. That's a decent thesis. Okay, so we want to look for this keep trying theme, and this is the one about the trophies. And so far in this introduction, I don't see the word trophy. So just be very careful. You don't want to repeat the whole question, but you want to at least mention the word that they're asking about. I'm just reading here, which you would see if you could see me. All right, there's a place where so we've got the sport and the idea of building up confidence and facing up to a challenge, priority and goal. And then you've got this example about money. This is where the organization comment comes from. I can see somebody reading this in the grading session and thinking, I don't know exactly what this one's about. So there in the third paragraph is the first time we actually see the word trophy. So that is why this one scored the way it did. Let's look back at the other one, number 2. Okay, and this has similar comments, so let's see if that one gives us the same kind of feeling. Let's look at its structure. So I see 2 paragraphs. I see an introduction and a conclusion if we count the first and last paragraphs as that. So one of the things that you're going to have to do, and I'm going to come over here and use this blank space to kind of talk about this, is force yourself to use the bullets, okay, or even dashes or something, and come up with ideas, okay? So whatever topic you choose, you want a small idea, you want a medium idea, and you want a large idea, okay? And that's going to be something like, here's how it affects me or a small group of people. Here's how it might affect my friends or my family or my school, and a bigger idea. And here's how it affects us as a society. And it doesn't have to be those 3 things, but that will help structure the essay and build it up. And this is part of what we're going to talk about, is transitioning from idea to idea. And also then you'll have your introduction above that. I'll just do what I would have done with my little pencil. So you'll have your introduction, and then you'll also have your conclusion. And if you get stuck trying to make an introduction that makes sense, just write anything. Just write your first thoughts about it. Write your body paragraphs. Write your conclusion. It's possible that that conclusion is a better introduction than your original introduction. And then you'll just end your essay with a conclusion that goes even beyond this, or how we make it a long-lasting sort of change or belief or idea. So that's going to help with the structure, because you're going to end up with your introduction, and I'm going to move that little box again so you can see the difference. Okay, so what I see right now is just this and this in this essay. Okay, but what I need to see is this, 3 body paragraphs. They don't have to be huge, but 3 body paragraphs and a conclusion. And you can see how the structure of that essay looks much different than what you have here. Let me look at your thesis real quick. I don't really see your thesis here. I don't see a sentence that tells me what you think we should do about food waste. Let me go down here. There we go. Finally, the words one solution. All right, so it looks to me like you got kind of stuck on what your solutions were. Be careful when you pick the topics. I'm going to talk about this in class tomorrow, but I've given you the 3 bullets next to each topic in the margin so that you can kind of sketch out these ideas. And when you look at those 5 prompts, if you don't see that you've been able to come up with 3 ideas for a topic, cross it out. Because no matter what it's about, even if it's your favorite thing to write about, it's no good to you if in the time that you have, you can't think of something to write about. Okay? So we'll talk some more about transitions and thesis statements in class on Wednesday. But basically, that's why those 2 timed ratings scored the way they did.